Sa wakas, we finish already. Mga friends ni Madam, they finish and they go home already. Now look, my kitchen, everything in order already. Sabay pang ganun in order. I-on ko na lang yan. Okay? At saka yung garbage. So, and then, ayan na naman yung Papa Kanafa. Itong sweet. Yung isa wala na, yung parang steak na may asukal, may sugar. Wala, naubos na nila. Yun ko naman ang pinakagusto ko sa lahat. Ito, ayan na. If you want to order, you can order a family. What's that? This one. Porsche or Gawa. Diba? I eat already. Very nice. Very good. And the favorite of Celine. I put that one in the talaja. Okay. It's finished. It's finished. It's finished already. Finish na yung yan. May food pa na may tira pag nilagay ko na lang doon sa ref. Nag-iingay na naman si Madam. Nagkakaroon na naman ako ng ayan, finish na. Naiayos ko na. Okay, so i-on ko na lang ito. Ano natin yan? Para okay. Finish. Sa wakas. Ito mamaya na lang tong dinner ko. Kuha ko na ito para i-dinner ko na lang yan. Isa, dalawa, okay? So once again, thank you. The Christmas is coming soon. And I wish the year 2020. What?
هاي هذا فريز.
You put you have a big what's that for freezer? I don't know where did you put the
هسه
food.
شوف انا شلون. انت مشترين هذا الفريزر كبير.
Oh, you eat all this one? No, you eat all also. You don't leave for me.
I don't know because you were hungry.
Nag-complain pa si Grace. Ay, nako Grace. Nag-complain si Grace. Nag-complain si Nani Grace. Si Nani Grace nag-complain. Nag-complain bakit daw inubos. Kakatuwa naman minsan Ganun lang talaga ako. Kasi minsan pag favorito ko. Ayan. Tapos ngayon na-finish na ako. Finish na ako. Yung laundry na lang ang ipasok ko. Pagkatapos yan, matulog na ako. Kasi bukas wala pa namang no school pa. Tomorrow is Saturday. So, si sleep ni his mama and papa. Okay, so I leave him alone na. Kasi nga, bukas, I let them to wake up early again because mag-cleaning, same as usual. Wala namang pagbabago. It's not very early nga lang kasi no school. Kaya that's why. Okay. So once again, thank you very much to all some peoples that you are watching nationwide. Sa iba't ibang countries kayo na nanonood sa mga short videos ko or sa regular videos ko. Thank you very much na. You have a patient and spend time to watch of my videos. And I wish that everything will be okay wherever you are and whatever you do. And subscribe also. That is a big support in my Simply YouTube channel. That while you are watching, don't forget also to subscribe me, share, likes and comments, and I wish that everything in a good way, in a good health. Okay? And uulitin ko, I'm just repeating again. Shout out to all subscriber of mine. Shout out to all just watching of my videos. Don't forget to subscribe me, share, likes, and comments. And thank you so much also that you have open-minded and open hearts, that you are thinking, all of you that you are thinking to subscribe me, or you are watching of my videos. What else? What else? I'm just thinking what supposed pa I'm telling about of my feelings, how I make it happy that I have already more than 600 subscribers, and I wish that you will be more subscribe, share, likes, and comments to my YouTube channel, to my Simply YouTube channel, and be happy na lang. Be happy, okay? Just enjoy whatever you do and where you are, okay? Basta the most important that still love to all your families, without families or you have families or whatever, sa bawat countries na nabilong, mga more mga failurities o sickness or mga accident or nahitabo, lalo na sa mga basic na mga pangyayari sa bawat countries. Just be safe. Individual, be safety, that is the most. And pray God bless us all. He can provide everything, whatever we needs, and take care of our health. And keep it smile. Baghdad, to all Baghdad peoples here or in Iraq, in the different cities of Iraq, if it's still raining, keep safe, especially if you are driving, okay? So good night Baghdad, good night Iraq, good night to the another countries that it's time already to sleep. Good morning, good noon sa madaling araw, early in the morning, very early in the morning. It's a wonderful day to one of us, for the all worldwide, sa buong mundo, including na idagdag ko pa ang nationwide. Okay, yela na, dito na lang ako mag-bye-bye, oh. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, yela, bye-bye, bye-bye, and bye-bye. O, ayan na naman. Ang dami ko ng thermos. Alam niyo ba? Ang dami. I have a lot of thermos na naman. Okay. Yan na.